How to send money from Payoneer to Payoneer. So the first step is to simply sign in to Payoneer and then select Pay, and after that select Pay to a recipient's Payoneer account. Then simply enter the payment recipient's name using one of the following methods. So either type the email address of the person you want to pay or select the contact from the recent recipients list. In the Pay From field, select the currency balance or card that you want to pay from, and in the Pay To field, select the recipient's currency balance that you want to pay to. Enter the amount you want to pay or the amount the recipient should get, and then click Next. From the purpose of payment list, choose the most relevant value, and in the transaction description field, type in a short description of what you are paying for. Then click Next, and after that simply click on Pay, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.